Hello, it's Marcus McCray with DFW Fence Contractor. I want to show you what's behind me right now. This is a slide gate operator and a slide gate operating system that we just installed. So this is an option that you can do to add security to your backyard, let your vehicles get into your home safely. This is a great option for anything going across the driveway. You can do multiple options besides a slide gate. You can do swing gates, but this right here is our slide gate operator. I want to go through and show you some of the options we've installed. Right here we're looking at a LiftMaster slide gate operator. This is a CSL 24. This unit right here will come with a battery system within it. It's going to come with a couple of extra remotes that we're going to sell you. It's going to come with an owner's manual to show you how to work it if there's ever any trouble. This unit right here is a reliable unit. It has a 7-year warranty on a residential level. If we install this on a commercial level, it has a 5-year warranty. That means anytime there's problems, we can go and justify changing out parts or components within that 7-year time frame to replace it and get you back up and operating. This is a great unit with a 15,000 life cycle. This gate system also has a lot of other nice creative features built into the operator. It's got a safety photo wall just like your garage door, so if this door was ever closing and opening and something was going to get in the way of that, it'll safely open itself back up. It also has a system called MyQ. It's enabled with this system. It's an option. So with the MyQ system, you can download the LiftMaster app to your phone. If your gardeners or somebody needs in your property, somebody needs to come to your house and you're not there, you could simply open up the app on your phone and basically open and close your gate when and wherever you need to.